3 accounts that you need in your 20s. Now, the reason why you need these accounts is just to set you and try to manage your funds as they come in, because in your 20s, this is when you start having money, in terms of you having your first job. Others will get into business, so there's some money coming in. Okay, so the first account you should have is a bank account, and this is just for transactions. So basically, in case you are being paid a salary, that is where your money comes in. Okay, if you have a business, then it means you should have like a business account. But basically, what you should also focus is, you should make sure that this account has no extra charges. Maybe when you're just doing transactions, because we all know there will always be charges for that, but maintenance of that account, that is where you should be keen and make sure that you do not have extra charges just to maintain that account. Remember, a bank account is just an account for money coming in and basically paying bills, and whatever remains, you invest that money. Okay, then the second account is, you should have an account for your emergency fund. Okay, and the reason why you need an emergency fund is because in case of anything, you do not want to end up taking bad debt. And this is where we normally talk about the money market funds, the bond plus, and other plans that we have. So again, before you take a plan, ask the tough questions. So if you need to know the questions you need to ask, just go to my YouTube channel and you'll get to know where to also start. Okay, so the reason why you're putting this money in such accounts is because they grow your money on a daily basis, and that is why you should put your emergency fund there, so that pesa hailali. Si tulisema pesa ifiko ikilala? So make sure you invest it and earn interest above the inflation rate, so that your money doesn't lose value. And that is why, again, we are not putting money in the bank. Okay, then the third one is basically have an account that has tax relief. Okay, when you're still young, take advantage of this so that you can be able to benefit more, because at the end of the day, okay, some of the tax amounts that are normally deducted, they are quite high. If you can be able to save that 100,000, 200,000 over the period of time, they might be long term, but don't feel overwhelmed. This is just a way to also help you plan for your future, because we always say you should have short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals, and you should be having plans that you have to put money aside for those durations of time, so that hata maisha ikikupata at any one point, either 5 years to come, at least you had put a plan, so you can be able to use that money for whatever you want at that time. Okay, so those are the 3 accounts you need in your 20s. Okay, I hope you have 1 or 2, and if not, you can be able to do something about it. Okay, and I'll see you next time. Bye.